It's beautiful out here. It's nice and quiet. Just the way I like it. Makes for a great audio test. Fortunately, that audio test won't be in this video, but I will show you what's in the contents of the new DJI Mic 3 when you get the 1 receiver, 2 transmitter combo. I'm always gonna recommend to buy that combo because even though you think you may not need something at the moment, you'll eventually need it, especially if you're a creator. So take a look inside. Very interesting piece of equipment. I actually didn't know I was going to be this excited for this microphone. I know I sound pretty calm right now. I didn't know I was going to be this excited for it until DJI released it. What got me the most was what got me the most was being able to remove the clip from the receiver. See, that's a game changer for me because right now, for example, just right now, I know this is kind of a little controversial, but how does the audio sound? Talk to me. What do you guys think? It's quiet outside, okay, I get it. It's really quiet. I can't complain about that, but what do you guys think about the audio right now? See, a lot of these new microphones these days, they sound good. They all sound good. You can get really good audio and no one's gonna stop, okay? Because sometimes you guys put too much thought into this. Oh, new microphone, which one is better? you're trying to audio watch instead of just thinking about your creativity. Your creativity is what brings people to your channel. It's your energy, it's you being yourself. All that good stuff is what brings people to your channel, not the microphone that you use. Okay, so what? You bought a microphone that's a tad bit better sounding quality than another microphone. What is that gonna do for you? Your content is what brings people to your channel. That's why you're here right now. That, or maybe you're just being nosy and you just want to see as many videos on a DJI Mic 3 as possible. That's okay, but they're all gonna sound good. It doesn't matter which one you get. The Mic 2, I could put the Mic 2 on right now and you guys ain't even gonna be like, man, that sounds pretty good. Just because I said it's an audio test. If I make a vlog right now, you guys aren't gonna ask me, damn, which microphone are you using? It sounds amazing. You guys are just gonna watch the video. It's the content that brings you here, okay? But since I'm making this about a microphone, shout outs Insta360. Insta360 Mic Air is what we're using with my cell phone. That's the Samsung Z Fold 5 recording the visuals right now. So tell me, does it really matter which camera and which microphone you get? Nah, man, not most of the time it doesn't. All these new action cameras are good. All these new 360 cameras are good. All of them are. I will say, if you are in the DJI ecosystem, if you have an Action 5 Pro, if you have an Action 4, even an Action 3, believe it or not, the Osmo 360, if you want to see more videos on that, get the subscribe button, because I got a couple more videos I'm going to put out on that camera. It's a pretty good camera. If you are in a DJI ecosystem, you can't go wrong. You probably almost have to get the DJI Mic 3. The DJI Mic Mini has a longer battery life. So that's what you're gonna get with the Mic Mini over the Mic 3. I've never ran my DJI Mic Mini until the batteries died. Just saying. The Mic 3 is a much better performing microphone. They almost stepped on their own toes with that. They all sound good. Don't put too much focus on which microphone sounds good. They all sound good. If you're looking at Rhodes offerings, DJI offerings, Insta360 Mic Air now offerings, they all sound good. The Mic Air, I would only tell you to get it if you have the Insta360 X5 and Ace Pro 2 at the time of this recording. You guys may be watching this in the future and there may be an Ace Pro 3 out. There may be an X6 out. They may come up with a 1-inch professional type camera for you guys that like to do real estate videos and people who like to make new maps for Google. I do that sometimes on the scooters. But yeah, just they all sound good. Just figure out which one looks best to you, which one comes with the accessories that you like the best, and just buy it, man. All these microphones that work with your cell phone, they all work with cameras, they all work with they just work. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, you know what to do. Get in the comments below, type away. If you have any video ideas with this microphone kit, because there really isn't too much to make with this thing. I can do the moto vlog, I can go do regular vlogging with this microphone. It sounds just as good as the Mic Mini. It just comes with a little more features, a lot more power, okay? A lot of people say, oh, I'm not gonna use 400 meters of range. In case you didn't know, 400 meters is literally a quarter mile, 1320 feet. What that does is it allows you to go through buildings and not lose reception a lot easier. It's about the power, not about the range. It puts out more power, allowing you to go through places that, man, if you're walking in your home and you go into another room and you're recording video or recording audio, it has that power to get through those walls better. That's what you want to use the range for, not for walking a quarter mile away from your camera. No one's gonna see you. Your camera's probably not gonna be able to zoom that far, chances are. So, but yeah, like I said, get in the comments below, type it up, let me hear what you got. Any questions, just let me know down there. Any video ideas, like I say, you can always reach me on Jonasegway. On Snapchat, it's still Jonasegway on Instagram, and I usually like to use those for communicating with you guys. If you guys need like a quick video answer, because some people are more visuals than readers, so then I'll be able to give you like a quick video answer any questions you may have, so you can see it in real time and be like, oh, okay, it works like that. I'm good with that type of stuff. And Jonasegway Tutorials, I got a new channel there. I'm gonna put the link to it in the description below. On that channel, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to, so it'll be like how to update your DJI Mic 3, you know, how to use one microphone with 2 transmitters or whatever, anything. It's not even just the Mic 3. It's on action cameras. It's on how to cook stuff. I mean, I'm gonna be doing all types of how-to videos. It's gonna be like a tutorial channel. So if you guys have any questions or any ideas on tutorials, go over there and let me know. Okay, let's get that channel going and popping. G's Moto, shout outs to G's Moto. G's Moto went on and sent me her DJI Osmo 360 so that I can test it for you guys. So her link to her channel is in the description below as well. So go on ahead and do those things. And I'll see you guys in the next video, okay? Just wanted to give you guys an unboxing so it wasn't too long. So anyways, I'm out of here. Peace.